Hey guys, so it's me, Dominique. I'm here with Daddy.
Hey
welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, welcome back. Look what we got.
We have Shark Bite.
Shark Bite. It's a game.
And I love this. I look at FDTV. And FDTV, some use them. They put the tapes.
So we got it's by Pressman. Since 1992. Ages 4 plus. It's 2 to 4 players. Yeah, she saw this on YouTube and she wanted to get it.
And me and Mama found it at Walmart.
We got it at Walmart. It was on sale.
Yeah.
For about like $9-10, right?
And when Dad was sleeping, he would go.
Yeah, I was asleep, and they went to Walmart without me.
and we are eating.
So we got the back there. All right. Okay. And bottom. So you want to open it up? We're gonna do unboxing, and we're gonna play test it, right? Okay. Go ahead and open. You need scissors.
You have tape.
Okay.
Make sure you have the adult help.
Adult to help with the scissors, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes 5-year-olds know how to do it.
But my scissors are pretty sharp, so I don't want you playing with it.
Let's see. Here's
Whoa,
these
there's a little piece there. What do we got there? Wow. I haven't seen this game yet, so I don't know.
I've seen this thing.
I don't know what it's about.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Shark.
Uh-oh, we got a shark. Uh-oh. Get the instructions, baby.
Oh, I got. Hello.
Alright, we got the shark itself, alright? This is how it works, right? Chompy.
It has an eye.
I will call him Chompy, okay? We got some stickers, okay? We got some fishing rods and reel, alright? Okay, here's your fishing rods.
Daddy, here, I got it.
Okay. We got 2 fishing rods.
2 of them. Because it has eyes!
Let me see
I
here.
don't believe it.
A different color fishes and whatnot. Fish, not fishes. So we got crab.
We have fishes.
We got crab. We got a fish. Another fish. Another fish. That's
Have
one.
to look at the green.
One color.
Here's
green
fish.
color.
Fish.
Yeah, same thing. Okay. This is the green color.
Yeah.
And the last color.
And the other one is the lobster.
Oh, we got lobster. Oh, so yeah, a little different, huh?
And
so we got the red one. Yeah, there's different fishes.
And we came some stickers.
Yeah.
For the shark eyes too.
So yeah, we got lobster here. You're right. And we got a different fish. Okay. So it's a little different.
I'm gonna put on the eye shark. Look it.
Oh, the shark eye. You gotta put it
and
on.
I showed the sticker
so we
to
got stickers here, and you know me with stickers. I hate doing that.
Yeah, because he always.
We got a blank die. Oh, we got stickers for the die. Okay, we got stickers right here. Oh man. All right. So let me install the stickers. Okay.
Yeah, make sure don't delete.
Okay, here you got the stickers on the eyes there. And then you gotta put the sticker on the die. Okay, so here's your sticker. Okay. Okay. So I got the die assembled. You got the stickers there. Okay. So you got 5 1 fish and 1 2 fish. So the fish and crustaceans, all right? And Dominiqu's is assembling the game there. Oh, it's called Sea Creatures. So it includes 1 hungry shark, 12 sea creatures, a fishing pole.
Ooh.
But we got 2 fishing poles. And 1 die, 1 sticker sheet, and the instructions. The object of the game is to be the player who catches the most fish before the shark jumps. Oh, okay. So the youngest player goes first, and the games continue clockwise.
Okay, I have one extra one here.
Alright, so it continues clockwise. On your turn, you roll a die, and you have to. And if you get one fish or one creature, sea creature, you have to fish out one sea creature. And if you have two, you fish out two, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sean don't like to share two to anybody. He picked two of them.
Okay.
So you can.
So if nothing happens, the game continues. If the shark snaps, then it ends. And the player who has the most fish wins. All right. So.
I got
extra
this
one?
fish.
Oh no.
That's the extra one.
Yeah, it does come with an extra fish, no? No, I found a spot.
Where?
Next to the lobster. There you go. So we got that now. Where's the die?
Right
here.
here.
Right in front of me. Yeah. And then we got two fishing rods. It says only comes with one. So here, you want to roll? Came with two.
Oh, I can just spin it.
Alright, get one fish.
Keep spinning. That was a bit.
So you got to pull upwards in a firm motion.
Got one.
Now my turn. I got one fish. Come on. There you go. I got. Alright, you got to roll a die. Maybe you get two. Oh, it's spinning. Oh, only one.
I wonder.
Like this. Two fish. Daddy turn. I got two fish. I got two creatures.
Uh-oh.
Oh, one fish and one more turn. Me try to get the lobster, green lobster.
Behind it.
I can't even get it.
Do you need some help?
There you go. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
I got three creatures and you only have two sea creatures. Alright, go ahead. One.
Means I have three now.
Oh, the shark will eat you. It's gonna bite your hand. Oh, there you go. Alright, my turn to roll a die. I got two fish again.
Whoever's get the most wins. Whoever got uneaten loses.
I got one and I got one more. Yes. Alright, I got a crab. Oh, roll die.
I forgot.
You might get two. Oh, you got two. Yes. Oh man, we got three fish inside left. Is it gonna bite you? Oh.
There's two of them now.
I got one fish. Let me go with lucky yellow. Yes.
I'm gonna get uneaten.
No.
Oh. I got two of them.
Well, there's only one left, so.
Yeah, so.
Is it gonna jump? Is it broken?
Hey, stop swinging.
Hey, don't jump.
I won't jump. I think we didn't put batteries.
I'm gonna try again, round two, huh?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many you got?
It does work. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, I'm gonna put them because I know how to put them. Make sure.
We're gonna try again, okay?
I want to make a pattern.
This is a tie, 6-6. And the shark didn't jump.
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
So my turn because.
Okay, round 2.
1. I got one.
Alright, go ahead.
Just don't swing. I got one crab.
One sea creature.
You can pick any sea creature you want.
I want a green crab. Oh no. Lobster.
Lobster.
Oh no, I got fish.
That's okay.
Uh-oh.
I will get it for you.
Thank you.
You did spin the dice.
I did. I got one. Your turn. Now you got one.
Stop spinning.
Hey, I wanted that green lobster.
Because you have a green fish.
Alright.
You have one. Green.
Yeah, two. Let me get the red lobster. One more sea creature. I want this one here. Crab. Okay.
One. So I'm gonna pick a fish. We have 3-3, means tie.
Get this yellow one back here.
Make sure don't take it.
Oh, no!
I win. I win.
Let's see. Count up. How many you got?
I got 3. You got 4 now.
I got 4. You got 3. Ah. So who's the winner?
Daddy.
Daddy won.
Okay, I know how to fix it.
Okay.
Skylar and Dad don't know how to fix it, so Chase did. Let's put them back in.
Okay.
We had to put them back.
I cannot see. Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't see behind the camera. I see this one. There you go.
No. Okay, ice.
Okay, youngest player go first. Okay. You got 2 fish.
Yay.
2 sea creatures.
Or you can call 2 fish. I'm gonna get 2 by 2.
We're gonna do one at a time. Watch your face, honey. Don't go too close. That shark will eat your face.
It's not that sharp.
I know it's not that sharp, but still though, I don't want to get your eye hurt.
Oh.
Hey, I got it. Here you go. You got 2 sea creature. I got 1 sea creature. All right.
No, you have 0.
Well, I'm gonna get 1 right here. It's a shark will bite me. There we go.
2 versus 1.
I mean, you got 1
One.
fish, 1 sea creature. Red fish. All right. Come on, I want 2. Man, here, let me get
Gotcha.
this one here. Crabby.
Mr. Krabby.
There you
Mrs. Krabby. 1.
1.
I'm winning this round.
Come on, get her. Bite her hand. Oh man, it's gonna bite Daddy again. Watch. 1. I'm gonna try this green one.
Four versus 3.
Got
2! Yes!
Oh man, you're gonna be a winner.
1.
I got you.
But it doesn't matter, I just won.
You got more than I did. Count how many you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got 6. And I only have 3. That's not fair.
The easy number for you is 3.
Yeah, easy to count. Alright guys, so that's Shark Bite, right? You have fun playing it?
Yeah.
Okay, next time we get Michelle to play too, right?
Yeah, Michelle's busy playing.
Yeah, she's outside playing with grandfather, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's a nice little game to play. Again, ages 4 and up. 2 to 4 players. Now,
Or 3.
yeah, I'm gonna have a description or a link to it on the bottom there if you want to get one too. Clicking on it helps me financially with my channel. If you want to buy it, it helps me out even more. All right, so that's our little unboxing in our first couple of rounds there.
My sister's coming back.
There she is, Michelle.
So we're playing Shark
We were just talking about you. You want to play
I
Shark
saw
Game?
his eye look like.
You want to play Shark Game too?
Okay, guys. I saw the shark face.
Yeah, let me see your face. All right. Okay, guys. Oh, here. Let's get Michelle to play one round, okay?
Yeah.
And then we'll say goodbye.
Me and Michelle's gonna be it.
All right, Michelle. Here, you want to go first?
Okay.
Because Michelle's the smallest, okay? Roll a
The
die.
youngest gonna go first.
Okay.
1.
You get 1 sea creature. Hold it this. Hold it this.
Okay.
Okay. Michelle's only 3. It's recommended 4 and up. But yeah, you can
So
use
you
your
can
hand.
use your hand.
Yeah, because Michelle is so tiny and small.
Okay, I'm
pull
gonna
up,
help
pull
her
up.
to hold it. Pull it very hard.
Up.
Do you need help?
You got it.
Yes, my turn.
And then Dominic turn.
And I'm gonna get.
Okay.
Mommy, I saved from the short thing. I saved. My mom's in the laugh part.
Roll a die.
My mom knows I win this.
You got 1.
I got one.
Okay, so this is Michelle.
So, when you have a lot mungus, 1. Okay.
There we go. Also got 1. I'm gonna try to get a lobster. Red lobster.
Red spoopy lobster. Here.
Here you go, Michelle. Roll a die. You got 1. You get 1 sea creature.
Use both your hands. No.
You use 2 hands. That's fine.
That's so fine. When some people just took it out already, use with 1 hand. Okay.
And Dominic, here you can use this one.
I want to use it.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Michelle got 2 sea creature.
I got 1 sea creature. 2 fish.
Oh, you got to roll dice.
Oh,
you might get 2.
Yes!
See ya,
I got 2! I got 2. Ah! Means Michelle's the winner. Means Michelle's the winner because
Michelle got 2. Dominic got 2. Daddy only got 1.
me and Michelle won. I will help.
That's the middle. There you go. All right, guys.
Open it. No.
So that's the Shark Bite game. Okay, that's it, right? Hey, guys. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Not me time.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Not me